Hello boys, welcome in KV Academy online class. Today I shall teach you class 5th maths multiple our chapter 5 multiples and factors. In previous class we have already learned about the factors and multiples. Before we discuss further, let us briefly recall what we have learned so far. Here our topics: multiple. In fact, 3 into 5 equal 15. 15 is called multiple of 3 and 5. Thus, we can say a divisor divides a number such that there is no remainder left, then the dividend is called the multiple of divisor. On the basis of divisibility, factors and multiples or numbers can be classified in various types. In previous class, we have already learned about the even, odd number, composite numbers and prime numbers. So, it can help to know a number is how can a number divisible by the special numbers or example any number how can divided divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here we learn about the multiple of here 50 multiple of 50. So it is 50 will be divisor of a number. So the multiple of 50 equal to 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, because when we divided 50 by 50, it will be totally divided on no left remainder. So it is called the multiple of 50. When we divide 100, it will be divided by 2 times and no remainder. So 50 will be multiple. It will be multiple of 50. 150 and 200 and 250. When we divided by 15, it is totally divided, no leaves remainder. So it will be multiple of 50. Means we can easily say if we write the table of the divided, it will be our multiple. Means it 50 will be divisor and divided, our dividend will be our multiple. As same the multiple of 20, 32, we get to multiply the 32 by 1 means 32. When we multiply 2, we get 64, multiplied 32 by 3, we get 96, and multiplied as so 4 and 5, we get 128 and 106. Means multiple of 32 will be 32, 64, 96, 128 and 160. Multiple of 15, just we write, we multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we write the table of 15, 15, 30, 45, 67, it will be multiple of 15. As the multiple of 6 means the table of 6 means 6 to 12, 6 to 13, 24, 30. It is multiple of 6. We can write many multiples, but in questions instruction to write 5 multiples, 10 multiples, or multiples greater than the given number and less than the given number. As the multiple of 25, we multiple of 25 will be the table of 25 means 25, 50, 75, 100 and 105. Our question number second, write the factors of the following. Means just opposites. The factor of 75 means in this question write the divisor means number which is divided, totally divided by 75. We follow the rule of divisibility. We can find factors by easily. So 1 will be factor of every number. So first we write 1. Then after divisibility rule we check the number. There is odd number, so not divisible by 2. So 2 is not factor. When we divisibility by 3, it will divisible by 3. So 3 will be factor. Our last one digit will be 5. So it is divided by 5. Means 5 will be our factor. And when which number divided by 3 and 5, it is certainly divided by 15. So 15 will be our factor. Our 25 will be our factor of 75, and 75 will be factor of means 1, and the number will be already factor of this number. And to help the divisibility rule, we find the other factors of 75 are given number. Here 60, it will be even number, so it is divisible by 1, 2 and 3. It divisible by also 4, and its one digit will be 0, so it will divisible by 5. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, that it will be divisible by 6, so 6 will be factor. It is divisible by 2 and 5, so it will be divisible 10, and it divisible by 3 and 4, so it divisible by 12. And if it is divisible by 3 and 5, so it divisible by 15, or it is divisible by 4 and 5, so 20. It divisible by 30 and 60. So our factor of 60 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 50, 60. 45. When we divide, it will be the factor of 1, 3, 5, because at one digit 5. When we add the sum of the digit 4 and 5, it will be 9, so it will be divisible by 9. Its last digit, it will be divisible by 3 and 5, so it will certainly divisible 15 and 45. So 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45 will be factor of 45. The factor of 14, it will be divisible 1, 2, 7 and 14, so 1, 2, 7, 14 will be the factor of 14.